Imagine downloading a simple Python package, only to realize it's a gateway for hackers to steal your Google Cloud credentials. Sounds scary, right? Let's dive into this alarming discovery. Welcome back to the Encryption Edge, your go-to channel for the latest in cybersecurity. Today, we uncover a malicious PyPI package targeting macOS users and stealing their Google Cloud credentials. Cybersecurity researchers recently found a malicious package named lr-utils-lib on the Python package index, also known as PyPI. This package, downloaded 59 times before being taken down, specifically targets macOS systems. Here's how it works. Execution on macOS. Once downloaded, the malicious script checks if it's running on a macOS system. 2. UUID check. It retrieves the system's UUID and compares it against a predefined list of 64 hashes. 3. Credential harvesting. If the UUID matches, it attempts to access files containing Google Cloud authentication data, namely application default credentials, JSON, and credentials.bi4. Data transmission. The stolen credentials are then sent to a remote server. This attack shows how sophisticated cyber threats are becoming, targeting specific machines with precision. While the exact perpetrators are unknown, this incident highlights the need for heightened vigilance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, share your thoughts in the comments. For more details, check the link in the description. Stay safe and secure.